Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over rakeandprofit.com. And today we're talking about Legos, and more specifically, we're going to talk about a Lego set that we're really excited about. We've invested quite a bit of money in, probably maybe close to a couple $1,000s worth between both of us. Not huge money, but we're going to talk about this Lego set that is going to be retiring soon, based on the rumors that we've been hearing, right?
Yeah.
I think Lego even came out. Did they say something recently about this set?
No, but the third-party retailers are being cut off. Basically, that they're going to stop getting them.
So in a nutshell, we're going to talk about Lego investing. We're going to talk about why we invest in Legos, and specifically, we're going to share with you the line that we're talking about today, which is
Speed Champions.
Speed Champions. So we're going to talk about what type of investments or returns we're looking to get from these investments, why we're investing in Legos, and why you might want to consider investing in Legos for some people invest for a couple of years, some for 5, 10 years.
All right, so here we have the Speed Champions line, the Lego Speed Champions line. It's vehicles. There's a 6-stud and an 8-stud vehicles. That means the wide width of it. And these are all going to be leaving shelves either in June, July of 2021 or the end of December 2021. So by the end of the year, all of these sets will be gone.
So what does that mean, gone?
They're being retired, so they're no longer being manufactured by Lego.
So retired means, for the folks who are new, retired means like Lego will put out specific sets like this Speed Champion set. And they've made other Speed Champions in the past, but they're going to retire this, which means they don't manufacture it, they don't make it anymore. And what do you know about supply and demand? People love Lego. People love to collect it. When you can't buy this in the store, where do people buy it?
At
third-party market,
Amazon, eBay.
And the price goes up.
Yeah, and these were originally, the smaller ones that you see here are originally $14.99 each, so it's a smaller price point to get in. These were the bigger ones, the longer ones are $20 each. So they're not too expensive to get into. You can buy a bunch of them, and I know most of these are 20% off right now on Amazon and Walmart.com, so you can get them even cheaper than that. And the reason I want to talk about the Speed Champions is because past performance, I've seen some of these $15 sets go to $60, $70.
In how long of a period of time?
Within a couple years, 3 years.
Yeah,
after
so that's
retirement.
double, tripling your money in a couple of years.
And I think that a couple of these are really, really solid investments. Like the Porsche, the set number 75895. This is a Porsche 911 Turbo. I think this is going to be a very popular set.
Give a price prediction. Give a 3-year price prediction.
I got these for $11.99. I think you did as well. I think this is literally going to be about $30 by Christmas, I feel, because when this has gone out of stock on Amazon, already it's jumping to $22 at the third-party sellers. I've seen it. So
give me 3 years out, though.
I'd say 50 to 60, maybe $70. It's the sky's the limit sometimes. Another popular one that I think is going to do extremely well is the Lego Ferrari F40 Competition, the 75890 set number. And Ferrari, these two are both iconic cars, the Ferrari and the Porsche. Like I said, they can be gotten for $11.99. I think the potential for the Ferrari may be even higher than the Porsche because I feel like this has got a little more expensive following as well. And one of the best ones I think is going to be this Camaro. And it's got a lot of I've personally built all of these. It's got a lot of stickers, it's got a lot of nice elements to it. It's a Chevrolet, so there's a huge fan base with Chevrolet. And I just feel like for $11.99, these are all our steals right now, and they're going off shelves very soon. So you got to act now if you want to grab these at the good price.
Yeah, so for me, the way I'm looking at it is diversifying my income, right? I have some money in real estate, I have money in stocks, I have money in, books, I have money in clothing, different things like that. And, as you guys know, with inflation and the dollar and the value going down, I mean, you want to have your money in things that could appreciate, physical things. And I'm not telling you you're going to get rich selling these, but I'm telling you right now, some of these items right here, 2, 3, 4 years down the road, there's no way these things are not going to probably be at least double the price.
Oh, yeah. I mean, this is a steal. You see this car? It's a freaking It's a Ferrari F8 Tributo. Look at that.
Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering why this is all bashed up, one thing I want to interrupt you real quick. Watch out with Amazon, Walmart. They'll send you all bashed up items. I forgot to return this one, so be careful because if it's all bashed up, it is going to hurt the value. But keep going.
Yeah, return it if it is. Don't take that. But yeah, for 16 bucks, this is such an undervalued set. Look at the car you get.
Give me some price predictions on this. 1 year, 3 year, 5 year.
I mean, that's easily, for me, 1 year could easily be a $50. Easily 50 bucks. And I think this car has potential to go up to 80.
Yeah. So again, it's not huge, money, but it's good returns. I mean, you put up, for me, I'm just putting a couple $1,000s in and going to let it sit for 3 years, and maybe I'll turn that into $5,000 or $6,000. Again, I'm not going to get rich, but it's just a way to be able to protect your money and diversify, and I think that's the name of the game.
And yeah, these are all going off shelves soon. So if you're planning on... And another point I would like to say is that as far as annual returns, this is one of the top themes on LEGO for annual returns. The only thing better right now is Super Mario, which I have right here. And there's some Super Marios flying off the shelves, so... I mean, that's another video, another time, but do your research. Super Marios are going to be going off too, so grab them if you haven't yet.
Let me know, what are your thoughts on the GTR? Because I picked up maybe like 5 or 10 of these.
Yeah, I think it's the same thing. That has something to be even more potential than the Ferrari.
People love the GTRs.
Because it has more... There's more Nissan owners than there is Ferrari owners.
Yeah.
There's more Chevrolet than there is Ferrari. So
yeah.
While these are iconic cars, these are more obtainable, and it's a better chance of there being more people wanting them and driving the prices even higher. So I think all these are undervalued right now at $11.99 and $16.
One of the downsides with these, which is kind of a pain in the butt, is like Amazon will only let you buy 3. I think Walmart or Target, one of them's capping you off at 2. Which one is it? One of them's at 2, yeah. So it's like you have to order and then wait, and then like a couple other annoying things just to mention, because I don't want it to sound like this is all so amazing. I think it's good, but items come, they're bashed up, you got to do returns, you got to store it, you got to make sure it doesn't get damaged. So like there's definitely cons to this, and that's why I'm not like investing like tons of my money in it. It's just putting some aside, and if you have a lot of space, I just moved into a new house, I have the space, but if you don't have a lot of space, you got to be careful to not get these things water damaged, bashed in.
Yeah, you have to want to be an investor first and foremost. You're not just going to be a Joe Schmo watching this video and all of a sudden go to buy Legos. I hope you do, but you have to kind of know you have to know Lego a little bit. Like, this is not really a beginner video. This is a intermediate.
And if you only have a $500 and your savings are $1,000, like I wouldn't waste my time with this right now. Like, you could buy it and then like try to flip it within a couple months. But honestly, like you'd probably be making a lot more money if you just go to thrift stores and garage sales and like stack up, do your retail arbitrage. Like if you don't have a lot of money, if you have 10, 20, 50, $100,000 plus, like I would put a percentage of this in Legos and hold it long term. But that's my play. I know you have a little bit of a different view. You're more aggressive than me, but probably because you're more knowledgeable.
Yeah, and this is the theme that if you're trying to get your feet wet, it's a low price point. You don't have to sacrifice too much money or too much space. You see, these are small sets. You can put these all side by side and they don't take up too much. Like, you can find a closet for all
put them
these,
in little bins and stuff. So if you enjoyed this video and you want more Lego content, then let us know. Smash that like button, leave a comment. We put out a Lego video about a month ago. People really enjoyed it. So if you want more Lego content, if you want to hear more about behind the scenes of what Vinny and I are doing and how much we're investing on a monthly basis and whatnot, our plans, let us know. But with that being said, much love. See you in the next video. Peace.